is good. Yes, I'm looking hella snatched. It's called the Natural Slay, like Scott Barnes. Yeah. I'm just fooling around. So, anyways, today, guys, in another video I tried the whole Scott Barnes stuff, and yes. But anyways, I am here to do an eye tutorial. So this is the eye look we are going to be creating today. It's basically like a multicolored cut crease. So yeah, so basically there are different tones of colors, and come a little closer, different tones of colors in the cut crease. So yeah, this is what we're going to create today. For today's eye makeup look, I am going to be using Revolution's Tammy X palette. Yes! So my sister recently sent me some little goodies, and this was amongst the goodies in the little bag. So I am so excited to actually try, like, just doing this is actually my first time using this palette, and just doing this eye alone, like, I'm so impressed. Like, the pigmentation is like out of this world. There's so many reviews on it. Yes, I know I'm late to the party, but yeah, we're going to be using the palette to create this eye look. I'm probably going to do like maybe like 2 or 3 eye looks with this palette, but yeah. So anyways, if you want to see how I created this really pretty cut crease, keep on watching. Okay guys, so coming a little closer, I am just going to first prime my eyes with my Snazaro white face paint. One thing I like about the palette is that it has a mirror, so you can basically do everything like with this palette. And then it has the sticker with names on it, so that's nice. Okay guys, so now we're going into my powder palette. I'm just going to set my eye. So going into this yellow color. I'm taking, I don't have, if you have colored pen liners, you can go for it, but I don't have. So I'm just going to take a thin eyeliner brush with my white face paint, and I'm just going to create my wing. So once the wing is drawn, I'm just going to start going into the shades. First shade is this orange shade here, so I'm going in with a dense brush. The next shade, I'm going into this pink shade here. So after the pink shade, I'm going into this red shade. Next off, I'm going into this light purple shade here. And then this dark purple shade. So this is what the eye is meant to look like. So now I put on some mascara. I'm going to go into my Kat Von D lipstick. So this is an orange lipstick. If you don't have like an orange lipstick, you can always use like the white and an orange eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take a little bit and sharpen like the orange part of this look, then I'm going to run it along my waterline. And I finished up my hair. I just added some hair extensions to the ponytails I had already made. So yeah, so to finish up the eyes, I'm just going to go into my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. Just going to apply some of that in my inner tear duct. I'm going to be using my Zaron lip pencil and my Nuban Beauty lipstick in Soleil.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring.